Hi, today we will learn how to write a simple query with a simple trick, and here you just have to go in a SQL Server Management Studio. If you are new to SQL and writing query and you are writing in a different editor, and here you are hesitate to write query in SQL Server Management Studio, so this video is for you. So you just have to go into the database, like this database animal shelter, and go into the table from where you want to know write query. So just go in this table, select this table animal, and select top 1000 rows. This option is very easy and quick. It will provide you the 1000 records from the table, whether your table have 10 lakh records or 100 records, but it will provide you the whatever records you have, but limited to 1000. And you can change here, like top 10 or uh, 10,000 records, whatever range you want to select. So you can use this option very well.